Question number 1. The book is on, in, at, under the table. The correct option is option A, on. Question number 2. I am going to at and with the store to buy some milk. The correct option is option A, 2. Question number 3. The city is on, in, at, by the river. The correct option is option D, by. Question number 4. The picture is hanging on, in, at, from the wall. The correct option is option A, on. Question number 5. I am meeting my friend at, in, on, by the park. The correct option is option A, at. Question number 6. The book is written by, with, in, at Ahmad. The correct option is option A, by. Question number 7. The company is located at, in, on, with New York. The correct option is option B, in. Question number 8. I am going on, at, in, to vacation next week. The correct option is option A, on. Question number 9. The letter is addressed to, at, in, with Z. The correct option is option A, 2. Question number 10. The city is surrounded by, with, in, at mountains. The correct option is option A, by. Question number 11. I am studying at, in, on, with the library. The correct option is option A, at. Question number 12. The book is on, in, at, with the bestseller list. The correct option is option A, on. Question number 13. I am going to, at, in, with the movies tonight. The correct option is option A, 2. Question number 14. The company is on, by, with, in, at Khan. The correct option is option A, by. Question number 15. The city is on, in, at, with the East Coast. The correct option is option A, on. Question number 16. I am meeting my friend at, in, on, with 5 o'clock. The correct option is option A, at. Question number 17. The book is written in, on, at, with English. The correct option is option A, in. Question number 18. The company is located at, in, on, with the city center. The correct option is option B, in. Question number 19. I am going to, at, in, with the beach tomorrow. The correct option is option A, 2. Question number 21. The city is surrounded by, with, in, at water. The correct option is option A, by. Question number 22. I am studying at, in, on, with the university. The correct option is option A, at. Question number 23. The book is on, in, at, with the shelf. The correct option is option A, on. Question number 24. I am going to eat in with the gym tonight. The correct option is option A, 2. Question number 25. The company is owned by within it a group of investors. The correct option is option A, by. Question number 26. The city is on in it with the map. The correct option is option A, on. Question number 27. I am meeting my friend at an on with the coffee shop. The correct option is option A, at. Question number 28. The book is written by within it a famous author. The correct option is option A, by. Question number 29. The company is located at and on with the United Kingdom. The correct option is option B, N. Question number 30. The city is surrounded by within it a wall. The correct option is option A, by.